all the people who didn't have any money but wanted to give, thank you. We love you.
We love you.
But for all the people who had money and didn't give, we know where you live. And you, mister on the end, make sure you keep your head down. Keep your head down. I was just like you one time. I got at the end of the line. They told me to keep my head down. I lift my head up, and now I'm black. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to start this off with a hand clap. And everybody who got a DVD, you can come down. We will autograph them at the end of the show. Now we're going to start this off with a hand clap. Everybody get your hands ready. Hey, wait, I said ready. I didn't say start. Hold up, we're going to do this to the music.